Welcome to the course Aseptic Upstream Processing. My name is Dr. Beth Zielinski-Habershaw, and I'm Coordinator of Training for the Pharmaceutical Development Institute at the University of Rhode Island. This course will encompass not only upstream processing, but gene modification to working cell bank, how we get to that upstream process. Then I'll move you through scale up of cell culture, and finally harvesting of our biotherapeutic protein. I hope you enjoy.
In this course, Aseptic Upstream Processing, I will be discussing a few areas. The first being a brief introduction to pharmaceuticals and biopharmaceuticals. Secondly, I'll discuss FDA regulations that guide the aseptic upstream process. Then we will discuss from gene modification to working cell bank. This will give you an overview of genetic modification of the cells that will eventually be the workhorse of the biopharmaceutical industry and produce the therapeutic proteins that we're seeking. Then we will discuss the clean room environment in which you will be working if you are working in upstream processing. And finally, we will discuss some critical process parameters for cell growth and protein production. So what will this course provide? This course will provide you with the knowledge and methodologies and principles that underlie mammalian cell culture and aseptic upstream processing. It will give you a comprehensive education in the development of genetically modified cells for production of biopharmaceuticals, principles of clean room function and ISO standards, proper aseptic technique in ISO 5 cell culture hoods that are in these clean rooms, inoculation of genetically modified cells in the aseptic suite, and then cell scale-up and harvesting that will be necessary in order to ultimately transfer the therapeutic material to downstream personnel for further purification and fill and finish. And lastly, this course will provide an understanding and integration of cell culture methods and techniques with performance indicators in order to optimize individual proficiencies. So after this course, you will be knowledgeable in the FDA guidances for clean room aseptic processing. You'll have a clear understanding of and technical acumen for aseptic cell culture, scale up, and harvest. And be prepared to work effectively in aseptic upstream bioprocessing suites, which includes maintenance and monitoring of aseptic environments while culturing these mammalian cells.